Okay, so I've set up all of the keys. So what we can see here is the piano is just scrolling through each and every key. And so yeah, I've mapped them all to an integer within the piano keys here. So I literally had to hand place all of these, all 88 keys, and make an array out of them. And then, just to show that they're all working, I've set up a little thing where we press a key, either on or off, and that either just sets the relative rotation of the key in question, and then it just updates an integer. So the keys are set in an array of 0 to 87, corresponding to each key. So I'm probably going to make a few different variables, arrays of variables, which perhaps give the chord, the note. So if you press number 0, then I think that one will be an A, and then if you press 1, then that will be a sharp. B is a 3, and then 4 is a C, and so on and so forth, all the way through. So I have that data readily available to me. So I've got quite a bit of programming in, so that I can then make use of that data. And then what we can do is I can test to see if we're pressing any C or any B or any key, whatever, all the way up and down, which will be perhaps useful for certain exercises I could program in for phase 2. And then I suppose I could really, for a stretch goal, even take this further so that it checks what keys are being played and then tells you the chord based on what 3 notes are being played. So that would be interesting. But yeah, I'm really happy with this so far. Of course, I've got no sounds for it at the moment, but we do see that every single key is now working. And I'm happy with the speed I've been able to do that, because art is something I really wanted to stay away from. But this will really make my first phase pop a little bit more, now that we have a 3D piano in it and stuff. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to the rest of the project. Thank you.